And the race on number 8 fast to begin, and this one is Awesome Ashley. And moving up by the roll, it's entry number 4, My Chemical Romance. Rushing up is Pivotal, the fourth, Rosy Eyes. Precious Metal, Cool Reception. Alongside is Doña Leonora, entry number 2. Second last, this one is 5 o'clock. And passing the half-mile post, My Chemical Romance, followed by Rosy Eyes in second. The fourth, racing in third by the rushing up Precious Metal, Pivotal, Cool Reception is running by the sixth. And out of our turn, My Chemical Romance by about 2 lengths, followed by Rosy Eyes. And by the fourth, Precious Metal. As they race the final corner, My Chemical Romance still hanging to that 2 lengths lead. Rosy Eyes on the outside, the fourth, Precious Metal. And nearing the finish line, My Chemical Romance is still leading, followed by Rosy Eyes. And finally, My Chemical Romance, Rosy Eyes, Precious Metal, number 1, the fourth, Pivotal. For your Pentafecta, 5 o'clock.